Hi!
Hey guys, so today we have a new game for you. Sis vs. Bro Challenge with Orangutwang. How long can he hang before he goes twang? Thank you so much to Playmonster for sending this game to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we'll get it out of the box and tell everyone how to play the game.
We got it out of the box.
It looks cool, guys. Now, the object of the game is to carefully hang fruit and jungle friends on the orangutan without making him go twang. So we already set up the game. We have the game base and trees all set up. We pulled the toucan lever up until it clicked. And we have everything all set up. The player who can say banana 5 times fast without messing up goes first.
Banana, 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 banana.
Banana, 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 banana.
I think Lindsay got it.
She goes, actually, I don't know if going first is a good thing, so.
All right, let's roll
here.
the die and see what you get.
No star for you, I'm hoping.
Bat.
That's a lighter.
Ah.
That's a lighter.
Here, hold a bat.
You can hang it anywhere on the orangutan, but not on the vine.
Come on,
Oh, I
star.
can't hang it here.
No,
Oh,
you can hang it on the vine.
he got a star.
Oh, you get to skip a turn. Good.
I got one of the very light ones.
Yeah, that's the lightest one.
You got one of the light ones.
Ooh.
No, there's no more of them. It's going nice and simple down here.
Oh, the heavies. Goodbye. You're going as we speak. Star.
Banana.
Star.
Pineapple.
Ooh,
Pineapple
that's like a heavy one.
SpongeBob.
You lose.
Lizzie wins that round.
He's so mad.
Aw.
Now put. Okay.
Now, okay, so Lindsay won the first round. We have 2 more rounds. Best out of 3 gets to choose the surprise egg that they want to open. Okay, guys, at the end with the new toys in them, so that's going to be cool.
All right, I'll be going first this time. Star. Yes.
Star.
I'm good at getting that star. She's not good at getting the star. She hasn't gotten it once yet. Dang it. Pineapple. Stop getting the white ones. Get those big. These are the ones you want to get for her.
I don't like this.
Be gentle, try to balance it.
Bat. Oh, she's done. She's done.
Ooh, she was very delicate when she put it on there.
Oh, dang it! It like takes time to like waits.
Winner, winner, winner.
1 to 1.
Wait, I think one fell down. So.
We lost one. We
Not
lost
one. I think we lost a couple.
This is a fun game, guys.
Yeah, we did lose a couple.
Okay, 1 to 1.
Oh my goodness.
Idiots.
All right, guys. Are we ready for round 3?
Yeah, and I get to go first. Also, it's 2 to 2, so
2 to 2.
1 to
I need
1.
1 to 1. Ah, my brain.
I
My
will
brain is
win.
mush.
All right, ready?
Star.
Star.
Let's see if
Go
we
right
can.
ahead.
Let's see if we can. Dang it. And that's fine. I'll get stars later in time. I'm gonna get the stars. Ooh, banana! Oh, the heaviest one. I'm not doing
Oh
too.
no. That is the heaviest one, isn't it?
The one that's not here, so do I roll it again?
Yeah, you
Yes.
roll it again. Third heaviest one, you're done. Nice doing business with you. I need a star to win this. If I get a star, I'll probably win.
We got a bat.
Yeah,
That's the lighter one, maybe?
that's
No?
the second lightest one.
I win!
Alright, guys. So, since Lindsay won best out of 3, she gets to pick which egg she wants in this switch up challenge here.
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna go with this one.
Yeah, of course the one she's holding. Big. I think.
Ooh, Smash Crashers.
Oh, mine opened on its own.
And Michael got
Michael-
Hairdorables pets.
Oh yeah, you got a girl one. It's funny.
Thank you so much to Just Play for sending those toys to us.
Think I can dare drop the egg?
So, Lindsay, I mean, do you want to switch these?
Maybe.
You can. Go ahead.
And what? This is better. Plus, this is a girl. This is a boy. You know.
Alright, start opening.
Opening number 1.
We'll have some sugars and a bird.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Very nice.
Alright,
Michael, you got a surprise crate in there.
2 actually, but
Oh.
first we got this guy.
It's cool.
Crate, the first crate.
I got a brush
Ooh.
and stickers and wait, there's something else in here. And like a tiara.
Nice.
But I had it.
Now it's time to see the pet.
Oh, I can't see it yet. Come on.
And we got a little football.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's another one. They're cute little crates, too. Maybe close. That's cool.
This is my pet look.
Pretty pet. I like the hair.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Melody.
Cute.
Very cute.
Where are you on the checklist?
Alright, we got this guy.
Oh, wow. I like that one. Look, it's got its tongue sticking out.
It's got a toilet roll and a plunger.
So when I looked on the checklist, right here, it has a heart. And its signature look right up here.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Cute. But there's also like an ultra rare, which is...
Very cool.
I have a brush here to just
Oh, nice.
get it. Brush your hair.
Uh-oh.
They're under attack.
I think there's going to be some smashing in the jungle, huh? Oh, no. Oh, my goodness.
Wait, what's the turn?
Wait, can you fit? Can you fit, girlfriend? Why you do this to me, bird? Oh, what is happening here? Get him!
Huh.
Wait, he stayed? What? Oh, there's a hole. Okay.
I'll find a way to make them stay. Another one. One more. Gotta find a hole.
Oh, look at that. Oh, she's a saboteur, isn't she? Oh my gosh. So guys, what do you think of the cool new toys and the game?
I think they're really cool. Plus, this
Yeah.
one explodes in your face. That's great.
So much fun.
I know. Even though it scares you.
Look at that.
This one got some cray hair. Got some green, some highlights. Woof.
And for finale,
Oh no. Never goes well. Until next time, guys. Bye.